Hello everyone, how you doing today? Beautiful summer day here in Ohio. Let me address the obvious first. You'll notice a little bit of an injury here. Nothing to worry about. I was out for a run yesterday, which you know I like to do. Caught a toe and face planted on Lee Road. Lovely people came to my aid. I'm completely fine. I just look hideous, okay? Not unlike our beautiful administration building with the scaffolding up here on the east side of the administration building. We're doing some tuck pointing and some slate roof repair to fix some leakage we have in the building. Those of you who know the history of this institution know that this wing, the east wing, was built in the 1920s and the west wing was finished in the 1950s. So obviously, this one needs a little bit more care and feeding than the other wing. But you know, that's what we have to do. We take care of old buildings like we take care of not so old presidents who need some maintenance every now and then. But that's what summer is for here on campus, right? Taking care of some of the things that we can't get to during the academic year. You know, it's always beautiful here on campus. I think I mentioned I was out playing golf today, part of my vacation, with a wonderful donor and supporter of the institution. Just really believes in the mission. And I think I look around this campus, while there aren't any students here today that I can see, I know there are a handful around. We do what we do because we so believe in this mission. And this institution, this building kind of stands as a monument to the work that we do at Notre Dame College. It stands as a testament to the vision of the Sisters of Notre Dame that they had back in the 1920s when this place started. So we're going to maintain this old grand lady of higher education so that we can continue to serve generations to come. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your thoughts and prayers and for your ongoing commitment to the mission of Notre Dame College. Be well, be safe, and go Falcons.